Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set up Siri on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you have an Apple Watch and you want to communicate with Siri on the Apple Watch, then you need to activate it on your Apple Watch. By just saying, "Hey Siri," your Apple Watch is going to respond. Now, let's go ahead and set up or activate Siri on your Apple Watch. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Watch app. On the Watch app, scroll up and then locate and click on Siri. Now, under Ask Siri, locate Listen for Siri, click on it, and then make sure you select Siri or Hey Siri. Then go back, locate and turn on Raise to Speak. And if you want to press the H2 crown to activate Siri on your Apple Watch, turn it on. Now, if you go to your Apple Watch and then press the H2 crown, you should say Siri Wake. And then you are good. Now, when next you want to use Siri on your Apple Watch, all you need to do is just say, "Hey Siri, what's the time?"
It's 6:45 a.m.
You see that? And then you are good. So that is basically how to activate or set up Siri on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.